My name is Jack Churchman. I'm from Cut Crew Limited. We're a grounds maintenance company operating in Milton Keynes, Northamptonshire and Bedfordshire. The machine I've got on demo today is the Force 205 by Trimax. The reason why we've got it on demo is we basically want to see the quality and how much efficiency it can bring to our business. And it's got lots of versatility from forestry all the way to agricultural and grounds maintenance. Yeah, so the experience of setting the Force up this morning, it's so straightforward. We are Pegasus owners, so we're used to the way Trimax do things, but I really like some of the features that have been put into this machine. In terms of maintenance, there's only 4 grease points and everything is like super simple, which obviously time is money. So the Force can be mounted front mount or rear mount, which is going to increase versatility for us. So we could have a sidearm flail on the back and the Force on the front. With the sidearm shift, it's going to enable us to get around any obstacles and do different types of landscapes and structures. Moving around that just gives us more versatility and improves efficiency. If you're moving from another brand to Trimax, then you'll realise the ease of life that you're going to have if you purchase the machine. I think it will just firm the decision, and hopefully you'll have it for a day and you'll see the efficiency that it can produce.